Hey guys, I'm back again here with another video. I picked up a new monitor for my work area. It's a Dell 23-inch monitor. I'll put the model number in somewhere here so you guys will see which one it is. It's a monitor that's just under $100. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my mount that I have for my other monitor to this one, because my little NUC PC sits inside here, or to the side of it, should I say. Let me grab it here real quick. Alrighty, so I got all my hardware, and then just undo these. Put these guys in here. Mount that I'm using, it's by HumanCentric. You guys can see, maybe like that actually. I'll post a link to the one that I'm using here. It mounts the 6th generation Intel NUCs. Let's see here, let's tighten this down. Okay, and there we go. Alrighty. So now, I'm gonna figure out if we do this way. I probably might wanna turn it. Or yeah. Okay. So now it can be installed like so. Okay, time to put this mount on. Go. Technically, this guy that. Now the only problem is that this particular cable, yeah, that fucking work. So we have to rotate this. That's pretty much it. So we got it mounted. I know the orientation is not the correct way, but this is the easiest way that it fits on my particular setup. And it's not really going anywhere. It's a very light unit. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.